Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Sharma, and in this video we will solve chapter 1 number system exercise 1A. As you can see on the screen, exercise 1A, question number 1, express the following numbers in word. So here few options we will do in this video and few options you will do by your own. So first example we are taking first, third and fifth. So first example is given that we will solve like this. So here as you can see, first example is given that is same which we are going to solve. So in this example what he did, he made one table, he mentioned all the periods and he has put all the digit in it. So according to the periods he has written the name. So same method we will apply in that question also. Here the first part, first we write all the digits and mention all the periods, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, and put commas also according to the periods. Now see, 5 digit is coming in lakhs period, so we will write here 5 lakh. Then 3 is coming in 10 lakh place, so we will write 30 lakh. 1000 place is empty, so we will just write 30. Okay, and 100 place 6 is there, so that's why we'll write here 600, and tens place is empty, so we will not write anything. So the number name will be 5,30,600. In the same method we will solve third part also and fifth part also. In third part we will mention all the periods. Then 8 is coming in crores period, so that 8 crore we will write here. 1 is coming in 10 lakh period, so 10 lakh we will write directly. Lakh period is empty. 10,000 place is empty. 1000 place 3 is there, so we will write 3000 simply. And in hundreds place 5 is given, so we will write 500, and then we will write directly 47. Same fifth part also we will solve like this. Now here one thing extra you can see which I have not explained in my previous video, that I explained till 10 crore, right? But here you can see Arab also. So all the periods we will read: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore will come, then 10 crore, then Arab. So I have mentioned in a short form. So after 10 crore Arab will come, and then 10 Arab, then Kharab, then 10 Kharab. But that all these things you will read in your further classes. Now here we will read till Arab. Okay. So the number name will be 4 Arab, because 4 is coming in Arab period, and 10 crore period is 0 mentioned there, so 2 crore will write only. Then 10 lakh place 1 is there, so 10 lakh placed 1 and lakh places 6, so directly we will write 16 lakh, because here you can see crore family is finishing, then we are putting 1 comma. Lakh family is finishing, then we are putting another comma. 1000 family is finishing, then we are putting another comma. So here lakh period is finished, then we will write 1 time lakh. When 1000 period will finish, then we will write 1 time 1000. Crore period will finish, then we will write 1 time crore. So like this we will read the number name: 4 Arab, 2 crore, 16 lakh, 30,507. I hope you understand this. So now the remaining parts you will do your own. Okay, now we are moving forward for the next question. Write the following numbers in figures. So here some number names are given and you have to write in digits. Okay, so first part is 60,40,012. So how we will solve this? Let's see. So now this question, 3 parts we are going to solve. So first, third and fifth part in combined way I'm doing. Okay, so first we will write all the periods: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, 10 arab. Okay, so the question was 60 lakh. So 60 means 10 lakhs are coming there. So in 10 lakhs place 6 we will write. Okay, in ones place nothing is there, so we will write 0 only. Now then 40,000 was there, so 4 we will write in 10th place. Then directly 12 is given, not 100 place, so directly we will write 12, 1 in 10th place and 2 in 1's place. So we will write the number in this way, and same method we will apply in all the parts. As you can see here, in fifth part 7 Arab is given, so that's why in Arab family we will write 7. 8 crore is given, so in crore family we will write only 8 because it is not given in tens. Okay, only simple ones place is given, so that's why we will write here only 8. Now then 12 lakh is given, it 2 digits are there, so that's why in tens place 1 will come and ones place 2 will come, so 12 directly we will write. And then 1000 place is not given, it is missing, so 100 place we will write 100 place is given 500, so we will write directly 5 in 100th place, and that's all. So like this question number 2 we will do. So now I think I hope it is clear to you. So rest all the remaining parts you will do your own. Now we are moving forward towards the question number 3. Write the face value and place value of the even digit in the following. So as I have explained in my first video what are the face value and place value, so we will see in the first part and third part. We will solve like this. As you can see on the screen, example 2 is given. Same example is there, that question we are going to solve in exercise. See, there are 2 patterns and any pattern you can use. Okay, so in this question he is saying find the place value and face value of odd digits. So as you can see, odd digits are written here, and I already explained that face value is the same digit will come. So 7 is there, that's why face value will be 7. 5 is there, that's why face value will be 5. 3 is there, so face value will be 3. Like this we will write. And place value, in which place the digit is written, that is known as place value, and after the digit how many digits are given, that much 0 will come. Here you can see 7 is written here, and after that 6 digits are there, so 60 will come here. So the answer will be 70 lakh. Like this we will mention all the place values. Clear? And in the second part also he has done same. Okay, so we just read how many digits are given, and that much 0 we will add in the place value, and face value same digit as it is we will write. I hope it is clear to you. So now see the answer. So in this part, as you can see, one number is there. So first we mention all the periods: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, like this. Now he is saying even digit. Okay, face value of even digit you find out. So here we will see which digit is even, which is coming in table of 2. So here 8, 6, 2, 4, these are even digits, so directly we will write the face value, and I already explained that face value will write same number, so as it is same number we will write. And for the place value, as you can see, for the even digit only, 8 is situated in tens place. After 8 only one digit is there, so we will write here 10 after 8. Okay, so the place value will be 80. Now the 6 is mentioned in 10,000 place. After 6 4 digits are there, so after 6 40 will come, so the answer will be 60,000. Like this, 2 is situated in lakhs place, and after 2 5 digits are there, so 50 will come. And same, 4 is situated in crores place, after 4 7 digits are there. So here in place value, after 4 7 0 we will mention. Clear it is? Now for the third part, first we write the number, then we mention all the periods till Arab, and then he is asking the even digits. Now what are even digits here? 4 0 6 8. These are even digits, so we will write the face value as it is and the same number will come. Okay, now the place value. So first we see where the even digits are situated. Here you can see 8 is situated in thousands place, so thousands place is there, and after 8 3 digits are given, so 30 will come. So here I forgot to write the 10, that is here. Okay, so now place value is 8000. Okay, now for the 6 is situated in lakhs place. After 6 5 digits are given, so 50 will come. 0 is situated in 10 crore, but I already explained in my previous video that 0 is only a digit is there, its place value and face value always come 0, so directly we will write 0 here. Now for Arab, for the fourth place, fourth digit, it is situated in Arab place. After this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 digits are given, so 90 will come, and the answer will be 4 Arab. Now in question number 4 he is saying write the difference of the place value of the odd digits in each of the following. Means some numbers are given, first we will see which are the odd digits here, and then we will find the place value of these, and then we subtract them. Okay, so the first part and third part we are going to do here. Now see, in first part, first we mention all the periods, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and here we will see what are the odd digits. So here 3 and 7 both are odd digits, so 7 place value will be 7000 because it is situated in 1000 place, and 3 place value will be 10 lakh. 10 lakh place is there, so 30 lakh will come. Okay, now we will find out the difference. So which number is bigger? Obviously 30 lakh is bigger, so first we will write 30 lakh, then we will subtract 7000. So the answer will be 29 lakh 93,000 only. Now for the third part, see here 2 odd digits are given, 5 and 7. So first we find out the place value of this. So 7 is situated in lakhs place, so its place value will be 7 lakh, and 5 is situated in 10 lakh place, so 5 place value will be 50 lakh. So now we will find out the difference, which number is bigger. Obviously 50 lakh is bigger, so first we will write 50 lakh, then we subtract this, so the answer will be this. Okay, now the question number 5, write the following numbers in expanded form. Expanded means in expand form we have to write all the digits. So first and third part we are going to solve here. Now here you can see one example is given, example number 3. Same question is there, in expanded form we have to write all these two parts. So here you can see we are multiplying by the place value of the digit simply. Okay, here 4 is there, so after 4 how many digits are given, that much 0 we will write after 1. Okay, and then we multiply with this. Same I explained in my previous video, first video, we were doing multiply with the place value. Same we are doing here, but in this we are just writing in addition form. We are adding after multiplication. So here you can see 4 is here, we multiply with this number, then 0 we multiply with this number, then 3 multiply with this 10,000, then 7 multiply with 1000, then 1 multiply with the 100 because it is situated in 100 place, 5 multiply with 10 because 10 place is there, and then 8 multiply with 1. So in this way we can write in expanded form. Now see the question number 5, first part. Here we are doing with the same pattern. Okay, and the third part also. Here 2 is situated in 1's place, so 2 is multiplying by 1. 3 situated in 10's place, 3 multiply by 10, and then we are adding. 6 situated in 100 place, 6 is multiplied by 100. Like this we will multiply with the place value, and then in this form we will write. I hope it is clear to you. Now see the next question, question number 6. Now in this question we will do all the parts. Write the largest number of 6 digits that can be formed using these digits. Okay, so this method I explained in my third video. If you have seen, then well and good, otherwise I am explaining again here. So how we will solve these type of questions. So in my first video I explained how to compare the numbers. So by using that pattern, first we find out how to how to make a greatest number. Okay, so some digits are given. So first we write all these digits in descending order. Whenever we are going to create greatest number, then we arrange the digits in descending order. If we are going to write smallest number, then we arrange the digits in ascending order. Okay, so this thing you keep it in your mind. So here as you can see the example number 4, here he is saying that write the smallest and greatest number of 8 digit. Okay, it is also a condition, 8 digits should be there. So the digits are given here. So first we write all these digits, and in descending order we arrange all these digits. So greatest number will be this. Okay, and for the smallest number we just reverse all these digits, because as we already know that descending order is the reverse of ascending order, so we directly reverse the digit. Okay, so like same pattern we will apply in the question also. Now for the first part, digits are given here 2, 7, 4, 0, 2, 5. So for the greatest number, first we arrange all the digits in descending order. So greatest number is 7, then 5, then 4, then 2 is coming 2 times, so we will write as it is, and then smallest number is 0. Hence the greatest number is here 7,54,220. Now we are moving for the next part, and in second part write the smallest number of 7 digit number that can be formed. So digits are given, same method we will apply, but this time we will arrange all the digits in ascending order, as you can see here. Here first we write all the digits, and then we will arrange all the digits in ascending order. Hence the smallest number will be 13,34,589. So now we are moving for the next part. So the next part is saying write the greatest and the smallest 8 digit number without repeating digits. So how we will do this question? So in this answer, first you will write all the digits we are having. Okay, all the digits we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So for the greatest number, first we arrange all the digits in descending order. So the descending order will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and because he is saying 8 digit only should be there, so till 2 we will write. Okay, so now greatest number will be this, and for the smallest number we arrange all the numbers in ascending order. So the number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this till 9, but we know that 0 is the smallest number. But then also first we write 1, because if we are putting 0 in front, then there is no meaning, it has no value. So after 1 we will put 0, and then we will write till 7. So now you count 8 digits are there, so it is the smallest number of 8 digit. I hope you are understanding this. Now we are moving forward towards part number 4. So the question is saying how many 3-digit number can you form by using each of the digit 781 only once, means we are not repeating any digit. So see how we will do this. Now here you can see example number 5 on the screen, and the same question is written here, only digits are different. He is saying how many 3-digit numbers can you form by using the digit 9, 0 and 5 only once. See, there are many methods to solve any question. See, this is one of the method here. Putting 0 at the unit place and possible numbers are, see, we are sticking one digit in a specific place and then we are exchanging other digits, interchanging other digits. So when we are sticking 0 here in one's place, then one number may be 950, and when we interchange the digit 9 and 5, then the other number will be 590. Same we will do another time, putting 0 at the tens place, means we are taking only one digit and each time we are sticking in one specific place. So now this time at the tens place we are sticking this 8 and now we are interchanging the digits. So one possible outcome will be 905 and another possible outcome will be 509. Now putting 0 at the 100 place, it would give 2-digit number, and he is saying 3-digit number we have to make, so it is not possible. So the required number of 3 digits are 4, means 4 numbers we can make. Now see the answer. See, in this fourth part, digits are 7, 8 and 1. So possible numbers, one time we are taking 1 and we are sticking at 100 place, and then we are exchanging 7 and 8. So 2 possible outcomes can come. It will be 78 and next will be 87, so number will be 178 and the other number will be 187. And same, next time we will take 7 digit and we will stick 7 at 100 place, and then possible 2 outcomes will come, 718 and 781, and then we will take 8 digit and we will fix at 100 place, and then 2 possible outcomes will come, 817 and 871. So hence this type 6 numbers we can make by the given digits. Now we are moving forward towards question number 7. Write all the numbers greater than 5000 that can be formed by the following digits. Do not repeat any digit in the same number. So now some digits are given here. First and third part we will solve. Now in this answer, 2, 3, 6, 4, these 4 digits are given. Now first we will see which number is greater than 5. Here only one digit is there which is greater than 5, that is 6. So we will fix the 6th digit at 1000 place, because we want to make greater than 5000 and 1000 place should be greater than 5. So we will stick 6 at 1000 place and then we will exchange the numbers. So now here one time we are sticking 2 at 100 place and then we will interchange 3 and 4. So these 2 possible outcomes will come. Then we will stick 3 at 100 place, then 2 digits will come, then we will exchange 4 and 2 and 2 possible outcomes will come, and then third time we will stick 4 at 1000 place and then these 2 possible outcomes can come. So like this 6 number we can make. So it is very much simple. So third part and second part you do your own. Now we are moving forward towards question number 8, otherwise video will be very lengthy. So now the question number 8 is write each of the following number in using a international place value chart. Also write their name in international system. So simply 6 parts are given, 3 parts we will do. Now you can see the example number 6, same question is there with the different digits. So we can apply this pattern also. You can make one table and then mention ones, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Do you know after million what will come? It will come billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So that we will study in further classes. Here we are going to study till million. So here first you mention all the digit, start from ones place and then you write all the digit and towards the left side, and then you write the number name. Here in the first part 7 is coming in 10,000 place and 1000 place 1 is there, so we will directly write 71, and now 1000 family is going to finish, so one time we will write 1000. Now 100 place 2 is there and 10's place 3 is there, so we will write 235, and same procedure we will apply in the question also. See here, as you can see on the screen, two parts are mentioned, first and third. So first we write all the digits what are given, and then we mention place value according to international system. So now here you can see 6 is there in 100,000 place, 4 is there 10,000 place, and 5 is there 1000 place. So first we write now here after 5,000 family is going to finish, so first we write the number name of this much only, so we write 645,000. Now we will see after 1000, 7 is given in at 100 place and then 23, so directly we will write 723. Usually students do a simple mistake, they use thousands many times, because see here in 1000 family 3 digits are there, so what they write 600,000, 40,000, 5,000. So like this mistake they do usually, but you keep it in your mind that 1000 will come only one time when 1000 family will finish. Million will come only one time when million family will finish. Okay, so now in third part you can see after 74 million family is going to finish, so we will write directly 74 million. Then after 9,000 family is going to finish, so we will write directly 839, and then 1000 will come. Okay, and after that 825 we will write. This is simple, and this you can write your own. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. Now question number 8, fifth part. As you can see the number, first we mention all the periods according to international system, then we will write number name. See here 10 million place 2 is there, so we will write 20 million, because now after 2 nothing is given, and then family is going to finish, million family, so we will write directly one time million. Now 1000 family no digits are given, so we will not write, we will skip that, and then 100 place 1 is there, so 100 we will write, and then 48 directly we will write. Clear? Now question number 9, write each of the following in figure, arranging them in international place value chart. So how we will solve this? First, third and fifth part we are going to solve now. So here as you can see, in a combined way all these three parts we are going to solve. So first make a table and mention periods there, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and I already explained this that after million billion will come, but we will study till 100 million here. So now in first part it is given 6 million, so million places it is written already, so we will write here 6. Then 7,000 is given, then in 1000 place we will write 7, and then 8 is given, so in ones place we will write 8, and all the empty place we will write 0, because no numbers are given, so we will write only 0. So now in the third place 60 million is given, so in 10 million place we will write 6. Then 211,000 is given, it means in 1000 family we will write, so 200 211 we will write in thousand family, and then 78 is given, so we will write here 78, and this place and this place is empty, 100 place and million place is empty, so here we will write 0. So the required answer is this. Now the fifth part, 78 million is given, so in million we will write here 78, and 520,000 is given, so here in thousand family we will write 520, 100,000 place we will write 5, then 10,000 place we will write 2, and then 1,000 place we will write 0, and then it is given 805, so 100 place we will write 8, and ones place we will write 5. So this is the required answer. Now question number 10, arrange the following number in ascending order. Here few numbers are given that we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to big. So here you can see example number 7, arrange the following number in the ascending order. So same by this procedure we can also do. One table we will make here and then mention all the periods according to Indian system, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So here all the digits are given. He has written from starting ones place. Okay. So now as you already know how to compare numbers, so first we count all the digits. Which number is having very less digit? Here this number is having less digit, which is 9,78,678. So this number is smaller. Now we will see another number which is bigger than this number. So as you can see, there are two numbers having same digits. This is 10 lakh place, both the 5 are there, means both the same digits. Now we will see in lakh place, then again they are having same digit 1 1. Now we will see 10,000 place, one is having 2 and another one is having 3. So now it is clear that this number is bigger than the smallest number. So like this we will compare and then we will write in ascending order. So here you can see the required answer is this. Now one thing you are seeing, you can observe that greater and smaller sign is also mentioned. So that is also necessary. You just write greater and smaller sign. If we are writing, then the mouth will open towards the bigger number, that I already explained in my first video. So now see first part and third part how we will solve. So we have to write all the numbers in ascending order. So now first you count all the digits. Which number is having very less digit, that number will come very first. Which number is having more digits, that number is large and that will come in last. According to that we will compare the number and then we will write. So now here you can see the first digit, it is having 6 digit and rest all are having, this is having 7 digit, this is having 8 digit, and all are having 8 digit. So which number is having 6 digit, that will come first. Now the next number is having 7 digit, it is greater than this, so it is coming next. Now rest all 3 numbers are having 8 digits. So now we will see the crore place. Here it is crore place, 9 is given, then 8, then 7. Now we can easily compare which one is smaller. 7 is smaller, so it will come first, then 8 will come, then 9 will come. So like this we can arrange in ascending order. Now see the third part. See, first number is having 8 digit, next number is also having 8 digit, next number is having 7 digit, then next number is 8 digit having, and last number is having 7 digit. So here two numbers are there which are having 7 digits. So now we will see the 10 lakh place. Now which number is smaller here? So this number is smaller, 1 is given and 7 is greater. So first this number will come, then this number will come. Now 3 numbers are remain which are having 8 digits. So now we will see the crore place. It is having 1 digit in crore place, it is having 2 digit in crore place, then it is having in 3 digit in crore place. So first this number will come, then this number will come, and then this number will come. So like this we will arrange in ascending order. I hope you understand. Now we are moving forward for the 11th question. Now question number 11 is saying arrange the following numbers in the descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller number. So first we will count all the digits, then we will compare all the numbers, and then we will arrange all these numbers in descending order, means bigger to smaller. So let's see how we will do this. Now here you can see example number 8, which is same. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So in this example what he has done, that he made one table, he mentioned all the place values, then he put all the numbers, and he started from ones and then tens, then 100, like this he has written. Now after writing this, he is comparing all the numbers which is having less digit. By the table we can easily compare that which one is having less digit. So it will come very last, because we are arranging in descending order. So bigger number we will find out. Now see, in crore place 2 numbers are there which are having 7 digits, so we cannot compare. Now we will see 10 lakh place, it is also same, so we can also not compare. Now we will see lakh place, it is also same, both are having 9, so we cannot compare here also. Now we will see 10,000 place, here it is 6 and here it is 8. Now which one is bigger? This number is bigger, so this will come first. Like this we will arrange all these numbers according to descending order, means bigger to smaller. Bigger number will come first, then small number will come. Now see the question. Now in the answer first part, some numbers are written according to the question. Now for what we will do very first we count all the digits, how many digits are given. So in first number 8 digits are there, in second number 6 digits are there, in third number 8 digits are there, in fourth number 8 digits are there, in fifth number 6 digits are there, and we are arranging this according to descending order. So we will see which number is having more digits. Here 3 numbers are there which are having more digits. So now we will compare this, that which number is bigger. So here we can see the first digit is 7, and here it is 5, and here it is 7. So now 5 we will skip because it is less. Now we will compare these two numbers. It is having 7, this one is also having 7. Now we will see 10 lakh place. It is having 1 and this is also having 1. So we are confused, we cannot compare. Now we will see the third place. It is having 7 and this one is having 2. So now we can understand that this first number is very big. So it will come very first. Then this number will come, and then this third number will come, and then we will see these two remain digits are having 6 digits. Now both are having same digit, so we will compare the first digit. Here lakh place, it is having 7 and it is having 3. So 7 is bigger, so that will come first, and 3 is very small, so it will come in last. And same procedure we will follow in third part also. I hope now you can understand nicely. Now all the remain parts you do by your own, and now in the next video we will do exercise number 1B. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.